Hey folks, I have an Alto ukulele to show you today. This is a quick stock instrument made from local and readily available materials, and I'm really happy with it. This is number 692. The body is made of Sycamore. I haven't used that in several years, but my friend Ben dropped off a really nice board of it recently, and I thought it would be fun to get back using it. It's very light colored now. It gets darker over time. The fretboard and head plate are black locust, which is a local tree I've never used before, but it's very hard, stiff wood, and I think it's suitable for fretboards. It's kind of got a similar look to the Sycamore. And then the neck is made from some scraps of fir and maple, sort of a 5-piece neck. Little maple bridge there to hold it all together. So yeah, I think Sycamore's got a nice sound. It's kind of cheerful and lightweight, and it's kind of like spring to me. So it's been fun to sit and strum this recently, and this will make somebody a nice ukulele for sure. So yeah, thanks for watching. Number 692 is ready to go.